Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to send messages from a Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. It's actually super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is make sure that you have the Business Suite app installed on your phone. But if you don't have the app, don't worry because you can download it from Google Play Store and App Store because it is available to both Android and iOS devices. So once you have the app, click to open it. So from here, what are we gonna do is to hover to inbox icon that is located to the bottom right corner, second choice. Tap on that. And you see there's someone who messaged you and you want to reply back. So you just need to click on that person and you can reply to that person. That's actually it. That's how simple it is. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.